World Environment Day, I do a sapling distribution. The important thing is that we should not celebrate World Environment Day just today. The message that I want to give to the youth especially, World Environment Day, as I said in my speech also, should be celebrated every day. Only then we will able to preserve our environment. आयज जे गोंया जाता, स्पेशली इन द नेम ऑफ डेव्हलपमेंट, जो डिस्ट्रक्शन आमगे सृष्टीचो जाता एनवायरमेंटाचो, ऑफ आर हिल्स, ऑफ आर रिवर्स, ऑफ आर स्ट्रीम्स, ऑफ द सैंड ड्यून्स, it's unbearable. It's very, very dangerous at the speed of what the destruction is happening in Goa. It's a humble request to the government of Goa to open your eyes. Dod ugoda and it's so it's Now if you come from Panjim to Benaulim, as our dear one speaker Victor said, that all posters have been put of each and every politician in the government, present government, the Prime Minister, Home Minister, Chief Minister, all the ministers of the current government. But these same ministers, Chief Minister and the government is responsible for today's destruction that is happening in Goa. So I request each and every Goan resident, आम्ही एक गोयंकरा की आयज तेमगे फोटो चोइन आणि ते बिस्ते ते सॅपलिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कोताय तेमचे तुम्ही चेंज जायना काय, माइंड डायवर्ट जायना काय, उगडास दोराय थोडे म्हयन्यांनी 2027 इलेक्शन येताय, गोंयचे आमगे गोंय माणकुली गोंय थोडे उला सांबाळपाचे, ते बाराबोर एकोटान सांबाळ्या. I've been doing sapling distribution for the last 4 years for my summer camps. Today we did it at our Patrosin Chapel. I want to thank Patrosin Charitable Trust group, the entire group, as well as Father Eremit, the parish priest, and the villagers and residents of Benaulim constituency for coming out and supporting this cause. We have, as our Arjun Ankomuta, through the press family, we have to protect our environment. And to protect our environment, the youth should be given entire knowledge of how important the environment is for us and for our upcoming generations. So thank you to the press brothers for coming out and spreading this word of us. And I want to only say once again, we are blessed to be born in Goa, because we are surrounded by each and every form of environment, whether it's the hills, the mountains, the rivers, the ocean. We are blessed. But are we doing enough to protect it? No. So let us stand firm, strong, and keep our identity, preserve our Goa and our Goenkarpon.
So I'm Maria Crasto from Padligele, Kolwa. And this is a wonderful initiative that Warren has taken to make our village green and to keep our soil healthy, and also because of the environmental changes. This is the first and most important initiative a leader has to take, and which Warren has shown. And we are grateful to him. Hope he will carry on with this good work of keeping our village very healthy and green. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. This is Trevor Baptista from Patroshin Pulwado. We, the Patroshin boys of the Charitable Trust, have come here with an initiative with Warren Alamau, giving away free sampling of coconut drops. And these are one of the best varieties what you can have in your garden or in your property also as well. Today is the World Environment Day. That's the reason why we have come here and distributing the free saplings also as well. So make Goa green and clean. Thank you.
My name is Hansel Vaz. I'm from Benauli, and today we've come for a plantation drive organized by the Patrosin Boys Charitable Trust. This is the village I spend my summer holidays with, and it's great to see the community coming together. What is even better is the fact that we're trying to grow cashews, coconuts. But I want to make an important point. Today is also a very special day because one gentleman called Rocky passed away yesterday. He was from this village, from Benauli, from Peda. He really cared about the environment, garbage, reducing the invasive figure in the rivers. But most important, he was also planting trees. The evening before he went home, he was planting cashew trees. He had his dinner, slept, and sadly never woke again. I want to dedicate this plantation drive to Rocky, one local boy. You know, we look at foreigners for inspiration. Jane Goodall, Greta Thunberg. We have a local boy, Rocky, Fernandez from Benali. Nice Goenkar, who grew up in Goa, played on our football fields, caught fish in our rivers. He is the eco warrior that we need to celebrate on World Environment Day. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग हांव जोकेम पेरेरा बेनावलीचो आज आमचे हिंगा पात्रोशिन बॉयज चॅरिटेबल ट्रस्टान घडोवन हाडलेले आमचे प्लांटेशन ड्रायव्ह म्हणजे आमकां सॅपलिंग डिस्ट्रीब्युशन आसलेले आनीक आमकां ते आमचे बोरोन आलेमावन हे सगळे सॅपलिंगां तेणे प्रोवायड केले आनी आयच्या दिसाक सगळ्यांक एक बरी मेसेज आमचो बाब विक्टर ह्युगो गोम्स हाणें बरो एक्सप्लेन करून सांगला की झाडां रोवपाक म्हण आनी तेंचो केअर घेवपाक म्हण सो थँक्यू व्हेरी मच थँक्यू आमचे बोरोन आलेमाव तशेंच आमचे पातोशीन बॉयजांचे चॅरिटेबल ट्रस्टाचे वतीन सगळ्यांक काजरतान देव बरें करता थँक्यू
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.